In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for reporting. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to track project health without building everything from scratch. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to My Workspace. This is your home base where all of your spaces, folders, and lists live, and it's the best place to add a reporting framework that your team can actually use. Once you're there, look for the three dots next to your workspace name. Click that to open the Options menu. This menu gives you tools for managing views, settings, and most importantly for today, templates. From that menu, choose Templates. Templates are a huge time saver in ClickUp. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you can start with a proven structure that already has fields, views, and layouts designed for common workflows. When the template panel opens, click Browse Templates to see the full library. In the search bar, type Reporting and look for the RAG reporting template. RAG stands for red, amber, green, a simple but powerful way to communicate project status at a glance. Red highlights items at risk or blocked, amber flags items that need attention, and green shows tasks that are on track. This framework helps teams align quickly during stand-ups and status updates because everyone can see where to focus immediately. Select the RAG reporting template to open its details, then click Use Template. You'll typically see a preview or a short configuration screen. If you're unsure which options to pick, the default settings are a solid starting point, and you can fine-tune later as your process evolves. When you're ready, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will apply the template to your workspace. This may take a moment while it creates the lists, fields, and views included in the template. Once it's in place, start populating it with your real projects or initiatives. Update each item's status to red, amber, or green based on criteria your team agrees on, such as deadlines, scope, or resource availability. Consistency is key here. Choose clear definitions for each color so everyone evaluates status the same way. As you review your work, use the template's views to spot trends and blockers quickly. If you need to adapt the layout or fields to match your team's language, do that after you've tested the base setup for a few days. That's it. You've set up a reliable reporting system in ClickUp using the RAG reporting template. Keep your updates regular, keep your criteria clear, and you'll have meaningful reports that stakeholders can trust.